This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing materials and acting immediately. Inspect 2 balloons, a funnel, rice, and tape. Once done, stretch 1 balloon and use the funnel to pour about 1 cup of rice slowly. This gives you a controllable, consistent weight. Make sure to compress rice so there are no big air pockets. Compacting produces a predictable feel. Tie the balloon securely with a double knot, then trim excess. This quick start gets you into shaping the core rather than debating tools. You now make the core tough and round. Slip the filled balloon into a second one to stop leaks and stabilize the rice. Once nested, hold tension and begin wrapping duct tape in overlapping spirals. This both locks rice in place and builds firmness. Make sure to rotate the ball as you wrap so thickness is even. If you want a softer feel, add a scrap cloth layer before final tape. This smooths bumps and gives a more consistent exterior for catching or kicking. You finish by smoothing and testing. Trim any loose tape, press seams flat, then toss and catch to assess balance and bounce. If it feels too soft, add another tape layer. If too light, open a tiny seam, add a tablespoon of rice and reseal. Make sure to test multiple throws. Repeated use reveals weak spots. If you notice leaks or shifting rice, reinforce with an outer balloon or extra tape. This single troubleshooting fix solves most durability and shape issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.